Hello, College Algebra. This week is weekly module 9, and this week we have test number 3. So under Learning Resources folder, I've posted the review questions and the solutions to the review. So please review them before you attempt to take the test, and reach out to me if you have any questions on any of the problems. For this week's assignments, we have the week 9 discussion board. Please post your response by Sunday midnight. Aside from school, what is one thing that has changed the most for you since the start of the pandemic? And again, if you can just post 1 or 2 sentences for in response to this question, that would be great. That would be taken for your attendance. The test 3 is the rules for test 3 are identical to the first 2 tests that we have taken. If you have any technical difficulties during the test, then you have to email me right away. And before starting the test, reach out to me if you're going through any confusing topics within the review. And you have full 70 minutes to complete the test. And this one has 11 questions on it. And you'll see the timer appear on the test window. And at the end of 70 minutes, the test will save and close automatically. Once you open the test, you have to complete it in one sitting. You can't close the test and come back to it at a later time. And you may use your graphing calculator on this test. And both the discussion board and the test must be completed by midnight on Sunday, November 1st.